Hey my dazzlers, welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how I recreated this Deepika Padukone inspired makeup look. I gave you two options on Instagram. Both were Deepika Padukone looks for the promotion of Gehraiyaan, and I just can't wait for Gehraiyaan. I'm really excited to watch it. The votes on my Instagram were really close. I picked this one because you guys voted for this one more, but I think I'll end up doing the other look too because that was so close. Also, I'm here after a very long time because I was suffering from COVID symptoms and I was not doing well since the last week and a half. I hope you guys are okay. And now let's get started. So I woke up in the morning, I had another shoot. I put on makeup and I obviously cleansed it and took all my makeup out, but I still want to make sure that my face is clean before I start off with this makeup. So I'm going to cleanse my face first. So I'm going to cleanse my skin with the Sensibio H2O Non-Rinse Cleanser. It is world's first micellar water and it prevents breakouts. So if you have a sensitive skin and if your skin tends to break out, this is a very good option for you. I'm going to take a cotton pad and pour some. It gently and deeply removes makeup, even waterproof makeup, any kind of dirt on your skin, sunscreen. It contains cucumber extract to boost collagen and also tighten the skin. It is prescribed by dermatologists and I have seen so many celebrities use this. I'm just going to wipe my face gently with it and make sure that there are no traces of makeup before I start with this makeup look. Now my face is all clean and I'm ready to use a moisturizer. So now I'm going to use my moisturizer. I've been using this moisturizer since the past week and a half. And I have been loving this. This is the Bioderma Atoderm Creme. It is really good for winters and it hydrates the skin really well. I'm gonna dab it all over my face, just like that. It gives a very soft and clear skin. बहुत soft and smooth करता है skin को. It contains niacinamide to improve hydration and repair skin barrier. It provides hydration for 24 hours and सच्ची में ये बहुत देर तक hydration provide करता है. Your skin will feel that. जैसे हम लोग अपने स्किन केयर रूटीन में इंक्लूड करते हैं retinol, AHs, BHs. This can be used after using those. This is excellent as a makeup base, जैसे मैं आज यूज कर रही हूँ. And all Bioderma products are made in France. इसे मैं अच्छे से अपने स्किन में मसाज करके मेरी स्किन को प्रेप कर रही हूँ. Now you can actually see how my skin glows after I used it. I love using this product and I have been constantly using this. This is just priced at 599 rupees and it's very affordable. Although I don't really need a primer for the glow because the moisturizer is enough, but Deepika has a very glowy skin in this makeup, so I'm going to use a primer. This is the Maybelline Fit Me Dewy and Smooth Primer. I usually use the MAC Strobe Cream, but this also works amazing. Now my skin is all prepped. It looks like a disco ball because it's so shiny. For my color corrector, I'm going to use the Face Forward stick from Sugar. This is in the orange shade and I'm going to apply it really nicely under my eyes. This works great to hide my dark circles. I also have some pigmentation on the sides of my forehead, so I'm going to apply some there too. And just a little bit around my... I applied too much. I'm just going to take the micellar water and just rub it a little. If your skin is very well moisturized, it becomes very easy to blend the makeup into the skin. Now I'm going to apply the foundation and I'm going to go in with my favorite foundation. This is the Forever 52 Stick Foundation. Just going to directly apply it from the stick. I'm going to just take a makeup sponge. It's a damp makeup sponge and blend the foundation. The reason I love this foundation is because it looks like your skin but better, like it looks like a second skin and it gives a very glowy, dewy finish. Now I'm going to go in with my favorite concealer of all times. This is the Forever 52 Complete Coverage Concealer. I need a good coverage, so I'm just going to go all in with the concealer. I'm going to add some more if I need it later, but I think for now this will be good enough. It blends so smoothly and it just gives a beautiful, beautiful coverage. It just looks like I never had dark circles. Now I'm going to quickly set my concealer before it creases. I'm going to take the K-Beauty HD Setting Loose Powder. This is in the banana shade. Now before I apply it, I'm just going to blend my concealer one more time to make sure there are no creases. And then I'm going to dunk my beauty sponge in it and apply it under my eyes. I think I'm going to bake it for some time, maybe 30 seconds, and then remove it. Now I have 30 seconds, so I'm just going to go in with the brows. I'm going to use the Sugar Arch Arrival Brow Definer. This is also my go-to eyebrow pencil. So I'm just going to fill in my eyebrows. And now I'm going to go in with the Benefit Gimme Brow, and I'm just going to apply it to set the eyebrow hair. I'm done with my eyebrows, so I'm just going to go in and remove or just blend the powder. Now the base looks very fresh and dewy also. Now I'm going to go in with my eyes. I'm going to use the e.l.f. eye primer. It's just like a concealer, and I'm going to apply it on top of my eyelids and then just blend it with my fingers. It just gives a very clean base and gives the eyelid a neutral color so that you can apply the eyeshadow. The eye look is very, very simple. She has a very glowy, goldeny, bronzy eyelid. So I'm going to use this e.l.f. blush and highlighter duo. And I'm going to use this highlighter shade on my eyelids. And I'm going to use my fingers for this. Just look at the pigment. I think her eyelid is a little bit more bronzy. So I'm going to take the K-Beauty Wild and Free eyeshadow palette. And I'm going to use this bronze shade. And I'm just going to take a flat brush and apply it on my lids. Now the shade came out perfect. I'm also going to apply this bronze shade on my lower lash line. Now I'm going to take this Mamaearth Charcoal Black Kajal, apply it on my upper lash line, very, very close to lashes. She does not have a wing, so I'm going to stop right there. And taking a brush, I'm going to smudge it just a little bit, just to give it a very soft look. And I'm smudging just the edges. Because I was smudging the edges, a little bit of the pigment just got removed, so I am going to apply just a little bit of kajal. Now in the bottom lashes, there's a light shade of brown, so I'm going to take this K-Beauty, I think this is the contour stick, it's in Caramel Focus. Line my lower lash line with this, and then I'm again going to smudge it very, very lightly. So now I'm going to curl my lashes and put on mascara, and the mascara I'm going to use is my favorite. Again, I don't know why I'm using all my favorites in this video, but this is the Maybelline Colossal Mascara, and this is a waterproof one. It's really, really good. So I'm going to apply just a coat of it, because anyway I'll be applying false lashes. Now I'm going to apply false lashes and be right back. I just applied the real false lashes from Benefit. It's the Prima Donna Lash. I just checked Deepika's lower lash line. It's got a slightest reddish tone. So I'm going to use this Color Bar. It's a Scandal Kajal in the shade Last Call. Just the tiniest amount. And I'm going to blend it with a flat shader brush. Now taking the kajal again, I'm just going to go over the lash line. Swiggy. I'm going to apply mascara on my lower lash line. Now I'm going to contour my face, and I'm going to use the K-Beauty contour stick in the shade Caramel Focus. And she's got a really contoured face. I've got a small forehead, so I'm not going to contour it. The K-Beauty contour stick is so easily blendable. I can easily blend it with my fingers also, but I prefer using a brush. I'm I'm gonna quickly contour my nose also. Deepika has a really sharp nose. I'm gonna smudge it with my fingers, not use a brush. I'm gonna use the K Beauty Contour and Highlight Pro Palette. I'm gonna mix these two shades and apply it as my contour, just to enhance the contour. So I just pick some color and start from the edge of my face, put the maximum color there, and then slowly blend it in. So look how lifted this side of my face already looks. Just gonna run whatever is left in the brush on the edges of my forehead. Going to use some on my nose. I am going to use this Sheer Peach blush from Eba Cosmetics. She has got a little bit of peach going on her face. Now for the highlighter, you really can't go wrong with the Mary Luminizer. And only the last part is left, which is the lipstick, and I'm most excited about the lipstick. I'm going to take this Maybelline Super Stay Matte ink in the shade Mocha Inventor. This is the perfect shade that she's wearing. It smells of coffee, it smells so good. Alright guys, so this is the finished makeup look. I hope you loved it, and if you did, then do click on the subscribe button right now if you aren't yet subscribed to my channel. I really love how it looks right now, and I love the lipstick on me. I think this is a gorgeous color, and I would definitely wear this look somewhere, someday. I hope you do the same too, and if you end up recreating this look, then do tag me on my Instagram. Do DM me your picture, and I would be really happy to see you recreate this look. Alright guys, so that's it. I am going to see you in my next video. Till then, go forth and dazzle.